It's Codemas time! Whee! Hey there, good to see you here. It's been 2 years since I've made the last video, which was also a Codemas, and this time I want to make it right. I want to make a video for every single day of this festive season, and so you should expect to see 25 videos. So no matter that it's almost over, the day is almost over, I still wanted to be here with you. Basically, the reason I'm so late doing this video is that I had to do an assignment for uni, which was due today, and I did not study, so I had to run in order to actually do the assignment. It was very difficult because it had to do with law, European and constitutional law, and I studied nothing because reasons. So now that it's over, I am finally able to do this video, the first video of Codemas 2020. I'm so excited, I have so much to say. We will talk about coding, we will talk about life in general, and some advice maybe I have gathered through the years. I've learned so much and did so many things. I want to share all those things with you guys. Actually, it is a promise I will do after this Codemas series. I will try to make a video every week. I should stop procrastinating. No excuses. I have time. My evenings are almost always free. I have the equipment. I should do it. I have so much to share with you. But yeah, let's focus on Codemas right now. This year Codemas will be a little bit different because it will not only be 5 minutes of me just coding and that's all. I want to combine it with a little bit of vlogging, maybe take you with me outside, walk around the city and talk about stuff and enjoy the festive season. If I forget about the assignment I had to do today, actually delete it, not forget about it. Today is a very big day for me because it marks the first month of me working with Trivago. The advent I opened today was from the advent calendar Trivago gave us for the Christmas season, which you can see right behind me. Every day of the Codemas will start with a little surprise from Trivago, and then I will get ready. I will wake up a couple of hours before I start work in order to shoot some footage, and then I will shoot some after work. We are working from home now, so we don't have to go to the campus, and I have nothing to show you regarding work. Of course, I will not show you code. I have only prepared coding stuff for the next 10 days, so if you want to see me do something regarding code, feel free to comment down below. Also, if you want to talk about something, some specific topic, feel free to also comment down below, and this is an open format. We can talk about anything. Now about Trivago, I will make a separate video about how this all happened and how I am here now in Düsseldorf working with Trivago. So long story short, I sent my CV, went through the interview process, and here I am. I will not tell you more about it now because I want to dedicate a whole video regarding the timeline and how it went. The only spoiler I will give you is that it's going awesome, and I'm pretty sure it will continue like this because there is an attitude of positivity and team spirit between the whole company. So yeah, that's all for today. I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.